So today we have a question from some new business owners, husband and wife team. They have a cleaning business in Florida, a state that does not impose personal income tax, and they have a question. They're kind of scared. They think they got behind, but it's actually kind of cute because they've only gotten behind by like 3 months. It's like when you see people behind and haven't filed taxes in 3 decades, you get a little jaded and you think these, it's cute when people are freaking out because they didn't like account for their last 3 months of the year. Anyway, let's get to it here. It's flavorless lime. I've never had one of those. I've had flavorless, tasteless apples before, but I've never had flavorless limes. Sole proprietorship cleaning in Florida. How to file taxes. My husband and I just moved to Florida and are cleaning homes for people in the area and are looking to make this our business. We don't have any employees. Okay, good. So no payroll issues. We just found out about business tax receipts. We're in Okaloosa County. Do we need a business tax receipt in order to legally continue? Okay, let's time out there. Business tax receipt, this is a county thing with Okaloosa County, Florida. It sounds like it's the equivalent of like a business license in other jurisdictions, like a county or city. I'll be honest with you, flavorless lime, I'm not an expert in Okaloosa County business licenses, business tax receipts, but it seems like it's a pretty easy thing to do. They say anyone providing merchandise or services to the public, even though a one-person company or home-based, I thought that would say through, but I guess though makes sense too. Even though a one-person company or home-based occupation must obtain a county business tax receipt. So yeah, it looks like the application is fairly, opened for me easy a while ago. But it looks like it's a pretty easy thing you can do online. Not a big deal, right? Not a big deal. Next question, which is about actual income taxes. Also, we were under the impression that residential cleaning was non-taxable income in Florida, but we didn't realize we may have needed a report for federal taxes. We worked for 3 months and earned income, but did not know if we should have reported that when filing taxes for last year. Now, this is cute. They were under the impression that residential cleaning was non-taxable income in Florida. Whew. Man, if there are certain industries that you can get into and the income is not taxable, sign me up, right? Sign me up. We're talking about the individual level. I know there's nonprofit organizations, right? Yeah, but churches, things like that. But they're still paying their staff a W-2 salary, and that they're still picking up that income on their tax return as a W-2. But man, if there's a business I could start just a Schedule C that's not taxable at all, oh, sign me up, because that would increase my after-tax pays by like 50%. Anyway, so that's why I thought this was cute. Also, it's cute that they say they worked for 3 months and earned income, didn't know if we should report that when filing taxes for last year. What kind of trouble can we get into if we didn't report 3 months of earnings for last year? We had no idea. We've also been working this whole year. So I'm imagining that. So first, let me get this very clear as crystal. Even if you're in a state that does not have a state personal income tax, as Florida does not, you are still, as a citizen or resident of the United States, subject to federal income tax on your income. Okay, even if you live in a state that doesn't impose a state income tax, you're still on the hook with federal income taxes, right? So folks in Florida, they don't have a Florida state income tax return to file, at least not for individuals, but they still have to file their Form 1040 with the IRS and pay federal income taxes on their income. Yes, even if you're a residential cleaner. So realistically, what kind of trouble will you get into if you didn't report 3 months of earnings for last year? Probably not very much. I mean, technically, have you filed? It sounds like you did. Did not know if we should report that when filing tax for last year. Technically, you should amend this return and report the 3 months of earnings along with all your expenses. We have some home cleaning clients right now. They put a lot of mileage on their vehicles. They have a lot of supplies they have to buy for their business, right? Things like that. Make sure you claim your deductions too. So that's the technical answer. You should amend your previous year's return to report that income. I'm not recommending that you don't report your income, but let's talk about the risk here. Realistically, is there a huge risk that for a brand new business that's been around for 3 months, that the IRS is going to audit you because they somehow figured out that you didn't report 3 months of income in a cash-based business? Probably not. Take that as you will. Not saying you shouldn't report your income or you shouldn't go back and fix this, but suffice it to say, the technical answer is you should amend your 2023 return to report this income on your Schedule C, and make sure you deduct your whatever deductions that you had in your business as well, including tracking your mileage for your vehicle. Of course, there's a couple ways to calculate your vehicle tax deduction. You can use standard mileage or actual mileage, but that's a topic for a different video. Anyway, folks, thank you so much for watching this video. If you just got a business off the ground, you think you kind of got behind with the whole tax thing, get the whole tax thing, talk to us. Give us a call at Choice Tax Relief, 866-8000-TAX. That's 866-8000-829. Schedule your free consultation. Or fill out the form at choicetaxrelief.com, and we will reach out to you. I also have some other videos here for business owners on the left-hand side of your screen that you may be interested in if you have a business or you're thinking about starting a business. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.